students, after completing the work on page number 2 and 3, we are going to start writing letter B. This is capital B. For that you need to open page number 9. Okay, please mention today's date and classwork over here. We have to do the practice. Trace the letter and color the picture. We have to trace this letter, then color this picture. So please identify which letter is this. Which letter is this? We had already discussed in our live class, isn't it? Yes. So this is the letter B, capital B. B says B. B, bat. So student, let's start tracing. We are going to start from red line to blue line. As you can see, the first step is given over here. Now, let's start making a standing line. Done. Now, the second step is from red line to blue line. Second one. This is our second step. Now our third step is we have to make another curve, left open curve from blue line to blue line in this way. Okay students, this is the letter B. B says B. It's capital B. B, ball. B, bat. B, boy. This is the picture of bat. So we have to color this picture also. So let's start coloring. For that, I am going to take a orange color. Okay, you can color by your own choice. Here I am going to color this bat with orange color. So firstly you have to do the tracing with orange color. And do your tracing slowly students, so that your coloring should not be go outside. If it will be go outside, that your page will be look very dirty. Okay, so do it slowly. Now you can fill inside and you can speak B, bat. Speak everyone, B, bat. See, you have to do slowly as I am doing. See, my coloring is not gone outside. In the same way you have to do it. Now for the top portion I am going to take black color. And here I am going to color it. This handle is black. Okay students. Please take care of your book. It should not be spoiled. Fine. So coloring is done. Now after coloring we are going to start trace and write. Which letter is this? Letter B. Capital B. And the sound of B is B. So students, while writing you have to speak few more words. Those start with letter B. Firstly start tracing from red line to blue line. One left open curve from red line to blue line. One more left open curve from blue line to blue line. This is capital B. Which letter is this students? It's capital B. Speak with me. Which letter ma'am is writing? Ma'am is writing capital B. Which letter is this students? Capital B. Speak with me. It's capital B. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Now start writing without dots. So make a standing line from red line to blue line like this. Then make a left open curve from red line to blue line. Okay. Then make a one more curve from blue line to blue line. This is the formation of capital B. So speak and write. B, ball. B bat. B boy. B bear. B baby. B basket. B basketball. B bracelet. B box. Okay students, in the same way you have to do the page number 9 in your book number 2. Now after completing this, you have to turn your page and take out the page number 10. Here also you need to mention today's date and classwork. Students, here we are going to do practice. Trace the letter. This letter we have to trace, and in the live class I have shown which letter is this. This is the letter B, small b. Okay. After tracing this letter small b, we have to take the picture whose name start with B. Okay. So firstly start tracing. As you can see, the first direction step is given over here. From red line to blue line, it's going down. Make a standing line. Then the second step is we have to make blue line to blue line one left open curve. Blue line to blue line one left open curve. This is the letter B, small b. Now tell me, B banana or B car? Yes, B banana. So we will put tick below the banana and don't do over here. Now after students, here we are going to do trace and write of letter B. The sound of B is B. Sounds are same for capital and small letter both, but the formation of a small b is different. So here also you have to say few more words that start with letter B. So let's start tracing. Make a standing line from red line to blue line. Then make a curve. Left open curve like this. Is small b. Which letter ma'am is writing? Small b. B ball. B says B. B says B. See, tracing is done. Now we are going to write the letter B, small letter B on without dots. Okay. So keep your pencil here and make a standing line from red line to blue line like this. And make a left open curve from blue line to blue line. This is small b. Small letter B. Speak and write students. B. Small b. B butterfly. B banana. B bear. B boots. B bicycle. B bucket. B basket. Okay. Now after completing this, you have to come on page number 1111. And on page number 1111, here we have to do the recap. Write letter capital and small b both below the pictures whose names start with B. So let's start. This is a butterfly. B butterfly. So we will be write the capital B and small b as well. But both the letters should be touched to this red line. Okay. B apple? No. So we will not write. B bucket? Yes. So we will write over here. B anchor? No. So we will be not write. B bicycle? Yes. So we will be write capital B and small b. B bear? Yes. So we will be write capital B and small b. B X? No. So we will not write anything. B boots? Yes. So we will write capital B and small b as well. So students, in this way you need to complete these pages in your books and submit your work on Google Classroom by 6 p.m. in PDF form. Okay, thank you.